and it's vegan and dairy free, and it's called whole wheat tandoori naan.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
Now, I couldn't resist. I took a bite out of it. What does it taste like? It's a little chewy, but it's got a very nice flavor. I think that I could probably come up with different. It's not like bread where you can stuff anything in. It doesn't work that way. But I think I could make it work in some of my... What I might want to do, for example, is take this bread and cut it in slivers, resembling something like fingers. You know how you go to restaurants and they give you breadsticks? Well, these would be kind of limpy looking breadsticks. It might give you a different look to a salad, for example. More like a lattice. Like what you'd use on a pie. You could look, so you see how it is on this. So what you got is you got yourself a flatbread lattice salad. A little humor here. Thank you for watching. Alright, so the nutritional facts on this is that there are 3 of these per container. So one piece is 220 calories. It has 5 grams of fat, 2.5 grams of polyunsaturated fats, 1 gram of monosaturated fats. No cholesterol, 240 milligrams of sodium, something to think about, but total carbohydrates are 37, and it's got 1 sugar and 7 grams of protein. And down here they say, tandoori naan is best known for its place in Persian and Indian cuisine, and on salads. Traditionally made in an open metal grill or in a clay oven called a tandoor, tandoori naan has a unique flavor and texture that complements fish, poultry, meat, or vegetarian dishes. Obviously, this being a vegan channel, no fish, no poultry or meat, so straight to vegetarian dishes. Usually served heated, brushed with ghee or butter. It is versatile and can be used to make sandwiches. So anyway, there's a little bit of history on tandoori bread. Thank you for watching.
If you like this channel, please subscribe.